A number of improvements can also be found in the mail archiver. For example, in the search function. Here, the search interval has now two more options, last 2 days and last 3 days. Then, in the from date and to date, you will find a calendar, which will simplify input. Then the meaning of these fields is now from hours 0 of from date to 24 of to date. So the beginning of the day of from date to the end of the day of to date. Then you will find another field, which is SA rules, which allows to search for messages where a certain spam assessing rule has been hit. The name of spam assessing rules that are hit on a message can be seen in the message details page. Here, SA rules are listed in the spam report in column Matching Rule.